Hey guys, I know I've been like MIA for the last, I don't even know how long, it's been a while. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really sorry guys, but I've been trying to like figure out what I want to do on YouTube. I've been trying to like find my niche or my niche and just been kind of struggling with it. And so I thought I'd just take like, you know, a few days off and just kind of reevaluate everything and just see where I want to go with everything. So having said that, I thought today would just be a short vlog where I would tell you guys that I am clearing out a lot of my Poshmark inventory. So if you guys are wholesalers or resellers or just people who are looking to replenish your inventory, I am selling like every item in my closet for $8 or less. So accessories are like $5 or $6, and literally like brand new with tags clothing are $8. A lot of people are asking me like, oh, can you negotiate the price? No, I really can't, because I'm only getting $5, which is not even making back the money that I spent on this stuff. I'm just trying to like start new and just kind of not break away from reselling, but maybe break away from reselling. Ooh. So if you guys want to purchase more than one thing and you guys, you know, are like, hey, shipping's kind of expensive, I will give you guys a discount. If you guys want to bundle a bunch of stuff, I will absolutely give you guys a discount on shipping. But besides that, I really can't. If you guys want to go to my eBay, I have everything linked below. So if you guys want to go to my eBay, I am selling lots of 10. I'm selling sizes small, medium, large, lots of 10, and then plus size, so extra large, 1X, 2X, 3X. Lots of 10 for, oh my gosh, what am I selling it for? $30? I think $30 for small, medium, large, and then $32, and that's with free shipping. So you guys are actually getting a discount on that. So that is cheaper than Poshmark, but you don't get to pick out specifically what you want. It's just kind of like luck of the draw. Each thing will have at least one high-end brand thing in it. I'm not like trying to screw you guys. I'm just literally trying to make some sales, make some quick money, you know, either replenish or, you know, take a second to think about what I actually want to be doing. I just feel like I've been spending a lot of time on things that don't satisfy me or make me the happiest. And I really want to focus on my YouTube channel, and I really want to focus on getting to the next level with my hair and makeup. I'm very happy with where I am, and I put very little effort into both of those, and that is where I want to really focus my energy. I put a lot of energy into reselling, so I'll have videos coming out about reselling still, but I kind of want to break away from it a little bit. So I am trying to like deplete my inventory. I have so much stuff, it's crazy. So if you guys, again, if you guys are looking for to replenish your inventory or whatever the case is, if you guys sell on Poshmark, or maybe even you have kids and you're like, hey, I could use small, medium, and large, or you know, you want to gift to people, you get what I'm saying. So yeah. Let me know down below if you guys, I'm thinking about doing like lots of jewelry too. Like I have like tons of jewelry. I have like a lot of accessories like headbands and stuff like that. If you guys want to see lots like that on eBay as well, I will definitely get around to doing that if that's what you guys want, if that's what you guys are interested in. So yeah, again, I'm not making a profit on this. I am literally just moving inventory. All my inventory is already paid for. So at this point, it's like, you guys I just want to be like moving on with my life here, and focusing on, you know, the direction I want to go in. And I hope that you guys want to take that journey with me. And yeah, until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake.